Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is the King's Tutor. The first time I'm joining us, ensure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now today I want to see this question that relates to depreciation. Okay, now the question said the cost of an asset is 600,000 lei and the lifespan of the asset is 10 years. Depreciation policy is the straight line method. Okay, now he said find the first one, the book value of asset at the end of year 4 or be the book value. Now A left 540,000, B 360,000, C 240,000, and D 100,000. And two, the depreciation charge for year 1 is A less 60,000, B 36,000, C 24,000, and D 10,000. Okay, so we want to see how we can solve this. Now to solve the depreciation, the formula is given as C minus X over N, whereby our C stands for the cost minus the scrap value. Scrap value is the amount that our asset will be sold when it is no longer economical to keep. Okay, while N is the number of years it will last. Now, from the question, the information they gave to us, they gave us the cost of the asset as 600,000. 600,000 minus, there is no scrap value, so it wasn't given, so it is 0 divided by N, the number of years, that's the lifespan, is 10 years. Okay, so it will now be 600,000 minus 0 is 600,000 divided by 10, it will give us 60,000. So the depreciation that will be charged for each year is 60,000, and they said it is what straight line method. Okay, so it is 60,000 for each year. Now the question now said find the book value of asset at the end of year 4. That at the end of 4 years interval, what will be the book value of asset? Okay, so if we do that, it will now be, now the cost of the asset is 600,000 minus 60,000, which is the depreciation. So 600,000 minus 60,000 will give us 540,000, and this is the book value for year 1. Okay, this is the book value for year 1, the cost minus depreciation. So since it is straight line method, we go again, minus 60,000. So minus 60,000, so we'll have 540 minus 60,000. 540 minus 60,000 will give us 480,000. And this will be the book value for year 2. I'll go again, 480,000 minus 60,000. So it will now be 480 minus 60. So this will give us 420,000. That's the book value for year 3. Now why subtracting again? Now the reason why each of the depreciation is the same, because it said the straight line method. So 420 minus 60,000 will give us 360,000. And that's the book value for year 4. So from what they've asked, they said the book value at the end of 4 years is what? So the answer is B, which is what? 360,000. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one said the depreciation charge for year 1 is, depreciation charge, this is the depreciation charge for year 1, it is 60,000. Okay, it's 60,000. So which is this? Since it is straight line method, it means it is the same. Okay, so it's 60,000. So that's how to solve this question. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.